Hey guys, it's Sabrina here, and today I'm bringing you guys template number 10. So it's been a long time since I've released a template, so let's just jump straight into it and show you what we got. So on your screen right now, here's the template I've made. It's a very simple animation, just a main text and a subtext if you choose to have it, and then it just spins out of frame. Anyway, so let's get into how to edit it. So once you've downloaded the template in the description, you can open it up in After Effects and start editing it. So I've hidden some layers here with the shy button, as you can see here. So there's a spin controller and a mask in there. You can edit those if you know how to do that, just to change it up a bit. But I've just got it hidden by default. So I only see the main text and the subtext. So I'm going to go midway through the animation and go to the main text. And then just click on that with your text tool. And I can change it to whatever I want. Nathan, Sabrina, Arise. I'm going to go with Arise, my friend. And then I can change the subtext to tutorial. Then we're going to jump over to steam.design to get our background. So there is usually a background finder if you sign in to the website, but I've got over 1,000 backgrounds, so I'm not going to use that because it's a bit slower than just going to your Steam inventory. So I'm going to find the background I want using the Steam inventory, which is clouds. I'm going to view full size and then copy this URL here. Now I'm going to paste it into this box here and click change background. And now you see we have it. I'm going to customize the cropping, and I just want a square one. So I'm going to uncheck the enable long images on artwork showcase box and click out of that. And now we've just got a square one. I'm going to download the images, go to my downloads folder. And here we see we have the avatar and everything else. I'm going to click get my artwork middle, extract it, and then grab that and bring it into After Effects. Going to put it below all the other layers. Now if we play it through, we have got our artwork showcase. So the next step from here is to export it. So you go File, Export, Add to Render Queue. And then what we want to do is PNG sequence for our format and just press OK. We want to find where we want to put it. So I'm going to put it in my Nathan folder, template 10, and save in subfolder. There we are. And we click the render button. Depending on how fast your PC is, it might render out really quickly or really slowly. Just give it some time. You can see the progress in the blue bar there. So now that our render is complete, what we're going to do is open up Photoshop. So open up your Photoshop, click File, Open, and then navigate to where you saved your render. Open the folder, click on the first frame and click Image Sequence. Press Open, and the frame rate for this one is 60. So set the frame rate to 60 FPS. And now we are in to Photoshop with our animation. Go to Window, Timeline, and just render it through. Make sure it's everything you want before we export it. So I'm pretty happy with this. Looks good to me. I'm going to go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Once we're in this window, we're going to go to this format here. Make sure it's set to GIF. Then check down in the bottom left hand corner to make sure that it's not over 8 megabytes. It shouldn't be with this animation. It's very simple. But if for some reason it is, it's probably due to the colors on your background, or if you've added more stuff to it. So you can always just mess with these parameters on the right hand side to lower the size of the file. Make sure the looping options are set to forever and then click save. Save it to where you want. So I'll save mine to my desktop, Arise GIF. So the first thing we need to do is we need to click artwork on your profile. If you don't have this, you can go to the community hub of any game and then click upload artwork on that. That's a different way to get it if you haven't uploaded artwork before. All right, now we're on our artwork page. We want to click upload artwork, not game specific. Give our artwork a title. So I'm going to just say template 10. Choose my file, which I saved on my desktop, which was arise.gif. You can see it there. Give a description. I usually just do a dot. Certify that I created this artwork and save and continue. Now it will upload. It won't tell you it's uploading. So if your internet speed's a little bit slower, don't worry. It is uploading and working. Just give it some time. Alright, now our artwork is uploaded. So we're going to go to our profile again, edit profile, scroll down till we see our featured showcases, make sure we have artwork showcase selected, then we want to click in the middle box and then click on the most recent image. My internet's a little bit slow so they all haven't rendered in yet, but I know it's going to be the first box. We just want to click on it and then we can scroll down to save changes. And now it is uploaded. So pretty simple tutorial, really easy to do. If you've got a longer artwork showcase, you're going to need to follow my tutorial that will be linked down in the description. You just have to enter a few lines of code to upload them. Make sure that you also upload the side images that are located in that zip you downloaded from steam.design so you can put it on the right hand side here. I'm just doing this for a sake of tutorial, so I don't need to change that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the template. Let me know if you're using it down in the description below. And thank you for watching. See ya.